Hi, this is Michael, and this is my review of the AYL BSPR300 portable Bluetooth rechargeable speaker. And this is going to give you up to 8 hours of playing time. It has a 4-watt output, and I'll take this out and show you the speaker and let you listen to it. Here's what you'll get. You get a audio cable. This is a 3.5 millimeter male-to-male cable. It's about 32 inches long, and this lets you use an auxiliary input on the speaker in case you just want to connect a non-Bluetooth device to the speaker, or if you just want to get a better sound quality, because Bluetooth is a lossy format, and if you directly connect a device to the speaker, you're going to get slightly better sound. Many people won't even notice the difference, however. And then you get about a 24-inch USB to micro USB cable, and that is used for charging the speaker. This is the little user guide here. It's very small type, and I guess it has all the information you would need in there. And then you get a mesh bag for carrying the speaker. Now, what's cool about this speaker is it's a dual element speaker in the front, and then there is a sort of a passive slot in the back here, so passively a bass sort of tends to be amplified somewhat and comes out of here. This is the auxiliary input here, and this is the charging port, the micro USB charging port. Then you have the on-off switch here. The bottom has 2 strips that are kind of grippy, so it helps prevent it from sliding around. Now, when you turn the speaker on, if it has not been paired to a device before, it'll automatically go into pairing mode. And this light will flash alternating blue and red to let you know it's in pairing mode. This speaker also has a touch panel, and although it works really well inside, outside it can get a little washed out. But it's kind of cool, and then you can adjust your volume, your track selection, and also you can answer, this has a hands-free capability with your speakerphone. So I'm going to get a sound source going through this so you can hear the sound, and we'll compare it to another speaker as well. For my tests, I do have a sound level meter, and I'm not so much interested in the accuracy of the meter, but it is helpful when you're comparing 2 different speakers. So that's primarily what I'll be using it for here. So I'm going to be sending from my iPhone 4 using Bluetooth to the speaker a song that I've got queued up here. I have the volume of the iPhone down 1 click from the maximum, just to help make sure that we're not sending a distorted signal to the speaker. And the speaker itself I have set to maximum volume. And I know that because when you push the volume, it will beep once it gets up to the maximum volume. So here we go. We're going to try one song here, a few seconds.
You got to accentuate the positive.
Okay, for a point of comparison, I have a different speaker, roughly the same price range. We'll just check this out. Same piece of music.
You got to accentuate the positive.
And finally, I'll compare it to one more small speaker, roughly in the same price range.
You got to accentuate the positive.
Finally, I just wanted to show you the hands-free capability of the speaker. Actually, this will allow you to answer a call from your smartphone and to terminate a call. However, you cannot initiate a call from this. And the smartphone will ring through the speaker. So the speaker is going to make noise when your phone is ringing. Not all speakers will do that. Now, you might notice I have a battery pack hooked up to my speaker. You can play it and charge it simultaneously. So if you want extended playtime, you can either have this hooked up to a computer port or a battery pack, as I do if you're going on a camping trip or something like that. So I'm going to call my speaker, and I'll speak very briefly through the phone so you can hear what the sound quality sounds like. Alright, this is an example of the hands-free speakerphone capability of the speaker. All in all, the little speaker here has a pretty loud sound for its size. Of the other two speakers that I compared it with, this is definitely a little bit louder than both. It's a nice compact size. If you like the touch screen, it's got that going for it, and it does wash out in bright light, however. And all in all, though, it's a very decent little speaker. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll answer it if I can. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and have a great day.